Hey guys, this is Eugene's Kitchen and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to be starting a potato series in which I'll be teaching you guys different ways you can make potato dishes. And for today, I'm going to be teaching you how to make potato skillet. And trust me, you're going to enjoy it. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get into the cooking process. So I'm going to be using some chopped Irish potatoes for this recipe. You'll also be needing carrots, green bell pepper, cameroon pepper, stock cubes, salt, garlic paste or powder. You'll also be needing some onion paste or chopped onions, some Scotch bonnet pepper, hot dog, vegetable oil. You'll also be needing some soy sauce and paprika powder. So these are the ingredients we need for this recipe. You can feel free to add any other thing you like. So I'm going to start by adding my potatoes into a pot of water. So I'm going to boil this first in order to tenderize it. Add a little salt. Cover and leave to boil for a few minutes. Please ensure you don't overcook your potatoes. It should be slightly done. After boiling, use a fork to check if it's slightly cooked. Then proceed to remove the cooked potatoes. If you don't want to boil your potatoes, you can steam it. In a pan, add your vegetable oil, add your hot dog and leave to fry till it's brown. So the hot dog is done now and I'm going to take it out. Now add in your onion paste or chopped onions and fry it for a few minutes. Add your Scotch bonnet pepper, add your chopped carrots and stir to combine. Now add in your seasoning and your garlic paste or powder and stir to combine. Now add in your green bell peppers and leave this to fry for a minute. add in your cooked potatoes. Stir properly to combine. Now add a tablespoon of light soy sauce. And also add some paprika powder. Stir properly to combine. Now you can add your hot dogs. Please know that you can use any protein of your choice, and you can also use any spice of your choice for this recipe, but I like to keep things simple. That's why I didn't use so many spices. You can check the description box below for the quantity of ingredients I used for this recipe. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and I'd also like to know what you guys think about this recipe in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.